Today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of bryophytes, and today's aim of practical is the study of vertical section of Marchantia thallus. Let us see the requirement of the practical. We need classwork material of Marchantia thallus. We need watch glass, slide, cover slip, blade, safranin brush, needles and the microscope. This is the requirement of the practical. And let us see what we have to do in the procedure. We have to take a very thin section of Marchantia. You take several sections with a new blade and select a very thin section and remove it with the help of brush and stain this section with safranin and mount the section in a drop of glycerin. This is a temporary preparation of slide, and observe this slide under the microscope. And you have to write all the details what you can see under the microscope in vertical section of Marchantia thallus. In observation we can see the dorsal epidermis is made up of single layer of cells that are arranged compactly. And the dorsal epidermis of Marchantia thallus, it is interrupted by presence of air pores. The air pores are slightly raised with a distinct border around its opening, which is called as rim. There are large number of air chambers situated just below the upper epidermis in which dichotomously branched assimilatory filaments, that is photosynthetic filaments, are vertically arranged. This is the main photosynthetic region of the thallus. Next, the storage region of Marchantia thallus is situated between the photosynthetic region and the lower epidermis. The storage region is situated between the photosynthetic region and the lower epidermis, just I told you, which is parenchymatous, that is filled with starch grains and oil droplets. This is the reserve food material. The ventral epidermis is single layered that consists of barrel-shaped cells that are arranged compactly again, and the arrangement is very compact without intercellular spaces. That we have to observe. Two types of scales and rhizoids are present below the vertical epidermis. The scales protect the thallus that gives mechanical strength and retain moisture. This is the function of scales. They retain moisture and they give mechanical strength to the Marchantia thallus. The two types of rhizoids are also present. The rhizoids absorb minerals and water by their general body surface. This is all about the internal structure of vertical section of Marchantia thallus. Let us see the figure. This is the figure of vertical section of Marchantia thallus. See the upper epidermis, lower epidermis, and the air pores or air chambers are present. The assimilatory filaments are shown in the photograph. Air pores are shown, and parenchymatous tissue, that is storage tissue, is placed below the assimilatory region. This is the figure of vertical section of Marchantia thallus.